Welcome again guys to the channel Old Time Cooking TV. Today we're going to prepare for you curry cowfoot, and as you can see we have already gone ahead to season up the cowfoot. Okay, so on this we have some all-purpose Maggi seasoning, some chicken Maggi, black pepper, salt and curry powder with a little ginger powder as well. And we have gone ahead to add some of our green seasoning on it, the scallion, the pepper, the pimento seed, garlic, onion, okay, and escallion. So we have already gone ahead to season, okay, with our curry powder. And so when we're going to cook it, then our we're going to add curry to the oil as well, because we want it to be extra yellow. Okay, so you have to make sure you burn that curry in the oil. So welcome to the channel again. After you season it, a matter of fact, you can season it your way with your types of powder seasoning, your type of green seasoning, everything that you love. All right, and then you want to put it down for an hour to marinate. After that you can go ahead with the cooking process, but for best result you can season it overnight and put it on the fridge. Just put it in a cover dish and put it on the fridge. So see you when we are cooking it. Okay guys, welcome back. We're going to now add some oil to the pot. Don't need a lot, so you just want that to be heated, gets hot. Okay, then you're going to add some curry to that. Okay, and as we said before, I'm going to put burn some curry in the oil, okay, to get out that rich flavor. So I'm gonna put some curry in the oil now. You don't need a lot. Okay, all right, that's a good amount. You want to just get your spoon, stir that around. Very good. All right, you don't want it to get black. All right, so after which now you're going to put in your comfort. Gonna mix this around. You can smell that already. Smelling so good. Alright, look at that. So beautiful. So that rich yellow color. That's what you want. Okay. Alright, we're going to cover this now. Just allow it to fry a little, steam fry a little, before you put on the pressure cooker lid. So we're going to cover this with a regular pot cover until 5 minutes time. We throw some water in it and put on the pressure cooker. Then we're going to allow it to pressure for about 30 minutes. Alright, if you were not pressuring it, it would have to cook for maybe 1.5 to 2 hours. So see you when we're throwing in the water. Okay guys, it's that time again. So we're now going to throw on the water. Okay. Alright, want a little more water with that. Okay, so here we go. Alright, and then we're going to allow that now to cook. To pressure, that is, for about half an hour to 40 minutes. Okay, so we're going to now close the lid and allow that to pressure. Alright, there we go. So see you on the other side. Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so this is after a hour in the pressure cooker. It took longer than I thought. It would have taken about a 35 minutes thereabout. But after 35 minutes when I checked it, it was still hard. So I had to give it some more time. So now after an hour in the pressure cooker, we have transferred it to a regular Dutch pot. And here we go now with the we're gonna add in the vegetables and the remaining green seasoning that we have. So we are putting in our extra green seasoning that we have from the beginning, our carrots and our Irish and our thyme. Okay, all right, so look how beautiful that is. Lots of colors, looking beautiful, smelling beautiful. Okay, and we're gonna cover this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we are going to add our broad bean, and you are going to see how wonderful this meal turns out to be. Okay, so curry cowfoot at its best. All right, we're just gonna cover this now for about 7 minutes, and then we're gonna add our broad bean. So see you then. Here we go again, guys. You know what time it is. All right, Patagonia now. Look at that, ready and waiting. Look at those colors. So this is after 7 minutes. So the Irish is cooked along with the carrot. Got all those colors. We're gonna add some more colors to it. So right now we're going in with our bean, and I have some sweet pepper there. Sweet pepper is optional, but just to add some more color and flavor to it. So we mix that in, mix those in. Okay, look at this thick gravy. See that? All right, that's what you want, and that rich curry color. Okay, so we're going to give this another minute or so to simmer down, and then we're going to share it out. All right, so catch you when we are doing that. Okay. Okay guys, here we go. There is the finished dish, curry cowfoot at its best. All right, serving with white rice, some vegetables, and as you know, my fried plantain has my side, looking very lovely. Let me give you a close-up of that. Looking so lovely, my people, looking so delicious. Curry cowfoot. Here's a close-up. Look at those colors, so beautiful. Lovely vegetables, white rice. This can also be served with your rice and peas, or your boiled food, yam banana dumpling, sweet potato, or just some vegetables. It's all up to you. So curry cowfoot. Okay, please remember to like this video, share it with someone. Quick and simple recipe, and if this is your first time here, I ask that you subscribe to the channel, and when you do so, you press the notification bell, so that when we upload another video, you will be one of the first to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. God bless you. Take care.